Here's a video about the battery draining issue on the RCD330 aftermarket radio for Volkswagen and Skoda and Audi cars, I guess. So this radio, it's an aftermarket radio, but it's made for Volkswagen. I guess it's made by Volkswagen. The thing is, right now the car is running and it's currently drawing 1 amp and 300 milliamps, 1.3 milliamps. So I will switch off the car right now and I will remove the key from the ignition, and you can see the radio is switching off right now. I'll even lock the car and we'll wait, and right now it's drawing around 700 milliamps, and after a while it will draw, yeah, right there, it will draw around 450 milliamps. So I will wait about 10 minutes or 15 minutes, maybe, I don't know how long it will take, until I will make sure it's drawing 0 milliamps, so it won't drain my battery. And if not, I will have a solution in the fuse box, because all the other solution, I saw it online, that you have to change something with the bus can, but they don't mention if you have a camera, especially a camera that works with the steering wheels. So you can see I have the lines and they will change if I move the steering wheels. So these lines require a bus can connection, and if you don't have one, or if this solution they will mess up this bus can connection, then they won't work for me. So let's wait and see if it will draw less after a while. So right now I have switched off the car. I will lock it, and it's now drawing 450 milliamps, and I will wait 10 minutes or 15 minutes and see. If nothing happens, then I'll change the fuse box.
10 minutes later.
So right now it's been 10 minutes and the radio is drawing 0 amps. So, but the question is, if I turn it on, would it work or not? So let's see. It did work, and now it's drawing 1.1 amp. That's strange. It shouldn't work. Let's turn it off, and it's drawing 800, 700, and we're back to 470 milliamps. So I'm gonna leave it like this, but I'm gonna also show you how you can wire it differently if you have this problem. But I'll also explain how this wiring will work, because if you done the wiring in the fuse box differently, the car radio won't turn on when you turn on the car. For example, if I turn it right now, yeah, this will happen. If you done the fuse box, you will get like this, and you have to turn it on manually every time you turn on the car. But the benefit is that you won't have battery draining issues. Here's how to reconnect the radio fuse to avoid battery drain. First thing, you need to locate the radio fuse. Mine is right here, the 15 amp one. You're gonna remove it, and then this is a 15 amp fuse. You need to create a 15 amp fuse jumper like this one. It's a 15 amp fuse with 2 wires and 2 metal things that you can connect to your fuse box. And then you can locate your radio fuse, the lead that's going out to the radio. So you have two leads. One is 12 volt coming from the battery, and the other one is going to the radio. So I'm gonna connect it to the one that's going to the radio. And after that, you need to search using your multimeter to an empty slot. You need to find one that's putting out 12 volt when the engine is on, and not putting out 12 volt when the car is off. So, and you're gonna connect it like this, and this